The only thing I want is to be happy, have a good time, make some videos, make you guys laugh, please have a good time. I wonder if YouTube or like all the motorcycle companies should, like, I don't know, it's just an idea, like if all the motorcycle companies should get together and try to, like, I don't know, man, do some kind of a lawsuit against YouTube. Because in turn what they're doing is, like, essentially, like, let's be real, I'm being a hater because I got fired from my job pretty much, but to be realistic, you know what they're doing, since everything that I put up that's motorcycle related, anything right now like this video will get blocked even if I haven't done anything wrong. It'll get demonetized. Why? It's just motorcycle related and it'll get demonetized. I don't know, YouTube won't tell me why, but essentially what they're doing is they're getting product placement for a lot of motorcycle companies. For example, Honda. I don't know if Honda, and some people from Honda be watching this, but people that might be new to motorcycling might see me riding the Grom and they want to buy the Grom. That's product placement for them. That's a Honda right there that I'm riding, but YouTube's blocking that, so they're actually making your sales worse. So I don't know, maybe I'm trying to instigate a fight here. I'm just being a hateful bitch right now. Yeah, I'm kind of making a point. You gotta think of it that way. That is kind of a point. They are blocking and suppressing a lot of views from a lot of motorcycle channels, and that is killing the industry. So a nice thriving industry where you're getting new fresh blood into motorcycling and hopefully steer them in the right way and not let them be squids, you know. I'm not a great example, but at least I try to keep the industry going. I really do have a big passion for motorcycles, and whatever.
Get on these.
Dude, I'm on the highway right now. Welcome to the vlog. And check out this pickup truck, yo. Quick shift, quick steering. No bed on the truck. Kind of want to get a closer look at it. Look at this thing. Kind of like it. I don't know, there's like a little sheep hanging off the back. Not sure what that's about. Fucking guy almost got hit right now. I think, of course, I have the camera off because I was conserving battery like an idiot. I should have turned the camera. I don't know. He went into my lane, almost hit me into a car into oncoming traffic to hit me. I was like, oh, it looked on purpose, wasn't it? Was it on purpose or not?
I don't know, yo.
Whatever, it doesn't matter. Not gonna let it ruin my mood. Yo, what's up, bro? We find a nice spot to park. Seems like everybody's over here. Me, dude. That shit looked like it was on purpose, yo.
Yo, for real, bro.
You're not lucky that I just told you we just got here, so I don't want to ruin the night. But I would fuck his car up and go home and laugh about it. But he went at me, dude. I was like, really? I think he was drunk, dude, because he stopped to like. Dude,
I was like, yo, what the fuck?
I'm not gonna fight, not right now. Maybe on the way out, but not on the way in.
Candid camera. Guy stalking some girl inside the pizza shop. Stalker, bro. Stalker. Here we are. That's all. It's pretty dead, dude. Maybe it's too early. Bro, oh my god. Let me give you my Damn, it's pretty loud. See, I don't even know why I videotape all this stuff. I'm not gonna make any money. You got crack? Hell yeah, ZX14. Gotta get the cops involved. Some girl here is having an epileptic seizure or something. I don't know what's going on here. That sucks, dude. Cop over there is bitching this guy out. We get out of the way to help and we get bitched at. Now what? I feel you. That's a nice looking bike. Yeah, right? That's what I thought. I like the colors on that a lot. I thought it was a Cowie, but it's a Yamaha, I think. Or was it a Cowie? I don't know what that is. Yeah, there's people passing by. We're trying to get a nice video. So they leave. We just try to look. It's like a girl's gone. Ruined my shot, man. Guy ruined my shot. Stands right in front of me, ruins it. know, the situation is still going on over here, I guess. So I feel bad. Dude, some girl had a seizure, so I think it looked like a seizure. I'm not really sure. Woo. We might get one too. Man, get out of the way. Did it actually work? Damn it, cars. It worked. Oh. Oh. Oh, he's moving it. Making sure it's picture perfect for everybody. What's that noise that he makes? He put that seat. Why would you kick Yoshi, dude? Don't kick Yoshi. Kurt Cobain here is kicking Yoshi.
Now he's gonna fight the small guy.
Who's he trying to fight? Crack and whack, yo. Hey man, what do you think about crack? Hey, good night. We might have a fight over here in a minute. Sunglasses at night. I'm a hypocrite. Ladies and gentlemen, the Florida Donks is here. A classic. A lot of people hate on it. It's grown on me. I didn't like it at first, but now I like it. Oh, more donks. Right there. You alright? I don't think she's alright. Yeah, it's like pulling a snake. Yo, somebody help this guy, what the hell? He ran away. What the fuck? What the hell is that? Cops don't even want to deal with it. Like, get the fuck out of my face. What the hell? Yo, this place is ridiculous, yo. Oh, at this time, what time is it? 3? Alright. I gotta wake up the courage to this. But, yeah, around 3 o'clock, this place just gets ridiculous with stupidness. It's time for us to bounce quick and not think about it. Check out who it is. It's the guy that got attacked yesterday. Damn, bro, he's so relaxed.